Nobody actually wants to spend their Tuesday morning sitting in a plastic chair under flickering fluorescent lights at the DMV. It feels like a rite of passage we all dread. But the reality is, you can skip the line entirely. If you are a California driver, your life just got a whole lot easier, and you can handle this whole ordeal from the comfort of your own living room. You just need to pull up the official state DMV website on your phone or computer. Don't let the technical terms or the government layout throw you off. Just head straight for the section specifically labeled for licenses and identification cards. That is the primary hub for everything we need to accomplish today. You will see an option to renew right there on the main page. They often use the letters D and L to stand for driver's license. It is a simple shorthand that they use across the entire site. Once you click that, the path really opens up. Now, you might see a few different options pop up on your screen. They might talk about the fancy high-security ID or making appointments for in-person visits. Ignore those if you want to stay on your couch and avoid the crowds. Stick to the basic online renewal path. It is fast, it is clean, and it saves you hours of misery in a crowded waiting room. If you happen to be over 70 years old, things look a little bit different. The state requires some extra steps for our more experienced drivers to ensure everyone stays safe on the road. Just follow the specific instructions they give you on the screen. It might involve a little more verification, but it is still a massive improvement over the old way of doing things. Then we get to the part everyone hates, the payment. You have a choice here that can save you a few dollars. You can use your credit card or a debit card if that is easier for you. But be warned, they will tack on a small processing fee for that convenience. If you want to keep that extra cash in your pocket for a cup of coffee, pay directly from your bank account instead. It is essentially an electronic check. No extra charge. Zero fees. Just the straight renewal cost without the hidden tax. While you are clicking through the forms, they will ask about your voter registration status. If you moved recently or changed your name, this is the perfect time to fix those records. If nothing in your life has changed, just click right past it. No need to overcomplicate the process. You will definitely need a secure account to finish the job. If you do not have one yet, making one only takes a couple of minutes. Just an email and a password will get you through the door. Then you just double check every single piece of personal detail they have on file. Make sure your address is completely current. You do not want your brand new card going to your old apartment across town. Once the info is in, you make that final payment. You hit submit, and you are officially done. It is a 5-minute task that used to take an entire afternoon. It really is that straightforward. No long lines. No numbers being called over a scratchy intercom system. Just you, your laptop, and a renewed sense of freedom. Until the next time that little card in your wallet expires. The convenience is truly a game changer for anyone with a busy schedule. You can do it at midnight or at 5 in the morning. The digital office never closes its doors. It is all about taking back your time and avoiding the stress of the physical office environment. Just a few clicks, and you are legal for years to come.